Hello everyone, this is my first video and this video is very important. It's regarding the biggest dropshipping application, which is called Oberlo, and Oberlo is no more. Oberlo is no more on Shopify App Store, and the message I have received from Oberlo team when I contacted them because I want to get some support. So what they have replied, I want to tell you guys that they're saying we are saying goodbye to Oberlo on June 15, 2022 and encourage you to begin migrating right here in the Oberlo app to transfer all your information now. And you really want to know where they want us to move our information. That is a new app which calls Dsers, and Dsers, they're recommending to move all your content, your products and your information, everything to Dsers, and they're saying goodbye to Oberlo on June 2022, and this is a transition now, and application is no more on the Shopify App Store, so you won't find it over there. If you're looking forward to install Oberlo with your Shopify stores, you cannot do it right now. So I further contacted Oberlo team, and they said those have been moved to Shopify Learn for those most part. And remember, Oberlo is an app owned by Shopify, and lots of those resources were branded through Oberlo but were always Shopify resources. So Shopify used to own Oberlo, and they are saying that all the tutorial and all the learning part regarding Oberlo will be there on Shopify store, but Oberlo itself won't be available. And they're saying the only thing changing is the app itself, which is honestly basically exactly the same, and some small differences they are saying in language and layout, but functionality are identical. And I know the change can be worrying, but honestly, the person who replied me saying I migrated my own store and it was seamless, and Dsers is a great app with all the same functions and more. And they are saying that it will be good thing for your business, but still understand the apprehensions. So now the biggest news is that Oberlo is no more, and Oberlo is out from the Shopify App Store. And if you want to use Oberlo now, you have to work with Dsers. That's what Oberlo is recommending, and I don't know whether still Shopify owns Oberlo. I think that is now in different hands. So that is the news that I want to tell you, and that was my first video, and hope you like it. And if you like the information, more information is coming ahead. So hit and like the button and subscribe my channel, and thank you. Say goodbye.